Welcome back to the classroom. In today's video, I'll be walking you through some of the most frequent mistakes people make when maintaining their computers and showing you how to avoid them. So let's dive right in. Are you guilty of neglecting your computer's health? Let's face it, we've all been guilty of neglecting our computer's maintenance from time to time, thinking it's not that important, or we just don't know where to start. Well, today we'll take a look at a handful of these mistakes to avoid. First up, not physically cleaning the grime and gunk from your computer regularly. Dust and dirt buildup can cause serious problems like overheating, slow performance, and in some cases, even hardware failure. Here's what we need to do. First, be sure to power down your computer. Then, open your computer case or flip over your laptop and use a can of compressed air to blow out the dust from fans, vents, and internal components. Do this every few months to keep the airflow strong and prevent your system from running hot. Skipping this simple step is one of the most common mistakes, and it can drastically reduce your computer's lifespan. Next up, a mistake we're all guilty of: ignoring software updates. Those update now prompts might seem annoying, but they're actually crucial to keeping your system running smoothly and securely. Outdated software can make your system vulnerable to security risks and bugs. Make sure to regularly update your operating system, drivers, and all software programs. Automatic Windows updates and tools like Patch My PC can help make this process easy and automatic. Let's go grab Patch My PC and run a quick update to see it in action. Again, don't delay those updates. It might seem like a small thing, but keeping everything up to date ensures better performance, better security, and your overall computer experience is generally better as well. Okay, so one of the biggest mistakes we see people make is not using an antivirus or malware protection program. Actually using an old expired trial version from 2015 is probably the biggest mistake we see in the shop, but either way, malware and viral activity can slow down your computer, corrupt files, and even steal sensitive personal information, so be diligent in protecting your PC. There are tons of free and paid antivirus options available that do a proper job of protecting your PC. I personally recommend using a reliable program like Malwarebytes Premium or Bitdefender Free. These tools are lightweight but powerful, and they'll protect your system from a host of malicious threats. Set them up to run regular scans and keep them updated to catch the latest viruses. Skipping antivirus protection leaves your computer wide open to attacks, so make sure you're running security software at all times. Please consider installing a third-party antivirus over just using the home version of Windows Defender. Another common mistake is allowing too many programs to run at startup and in the background. This can dramatically slow down your computer's boot time and make everything feel sluggish. To check this, on your keyboard press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager, go to the Startup tab and disable any programs you don't need to run when your computer starts. Do some research if you're unsure of any programs in the startup area. Doing this will free up resources and make your system boot up faster with less clutter. Keeping your startup programs in check is a simple tweak that can make a huge difference in your computer's performance. One of the most critical mistakes people make is not backing up their data. A sudden hardware failure, virus, or accidental deletion could wipe out important files in an instant. Consider using a backup tool like easeus Todo Backup or minitool's Shadow Maker. Or at the very least, keep copies of your data in cloud storage like Google Drive to regularly back up your important files. Again, you can back up to an external hard drive, USB flash drive, or cloud storage for extra safety. Don't wait until it's too late. Schedule automatic backups to make sure your data is protected from loss. Windows has a decent built-in backup tool you can look into using as well. If you're not running a cleanup or tune-up process regularly, it can lead to slower performance over time. Fragmented and cluttered data means your computer has to work harder to access files. Again, there are a lot of free computer tune-up programs out there, but I personally recommend using either Glare Utilities or ccleaner to perform a general performance maintenance cleanup on your computer. easeus Clean Genius is another good one. Let's go ahead and grab Glare Utilities and run a scan to see it in action. Running this cleanup process every few months can significantly improve your computer's speed and longevity. Finally, the biggest mistake of all, just skipping any maintenance altogether. Computers need regular care to keep performing at their best, so be sure to make it a priority if you want your computer to live a long, fulfilling life. Set up a simple maintenance schedule for cleaning, updating software, running virus scans, and backing up your data. You don't have to spend hours. Just a few minutes can make a huge difference in preventing bigger problems down the road. A good schedule would be to knock out all of these maintenance items quarterly. It's okay to do it more frequently, but doing full-blown maintenance every week is probably overkill. By keeping up with regular maintenance, you'll avoid common issues and extend the life of your computer. And there you have it, the most frequent mistakes people make in computer maintenance and how to avoid them. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments if you've made any of these mistakes before. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time in the classroom. Bye-bye, everybody.